Alright guys, so I got a grocery haul here. It's not a huge one, but got quite a bit of stuff, so I'll just get started. We've got some of our coffee creamers, some of this mango orange juice, 6 things of rice milk, some of my raw sugar, got some of this creamy caramel bell soy vegan pudding, got some cashews and some pecans, some frozen fruit for smoothies, some romaine hearts, got some vegan yogurt, couple bunches of bananas, got some vegan protein powder, some strawberries, a couple cantaloupes, spinach and kale, some radishes, cucumber, celery and onion, 2 packs of mushrooms, some of this vegan cheese, a couple packs of tofu, some liquid soy seasoning, which is just the liquid aminos, and some apple cider vinegar. And I think that is everything. Got a couple of other random items as well, not grocery related. But yeah, that's it for now. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.